Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing. This will be, I don't think I've unboxed any Diamond Art Club, but I did do the trial Diamond Art Clubs prior to when I started my YouTube video, and I also completed I think it was called the Night Guardian for a gift for my mom a couple Christmases ago. So this is technically my second full-size Diamond Art Club. I'm gonna have a hard time getting this in the picture, so bear with me through this video, but I'm very excited for this. I've actually had it for quite some time now. I just haven't had the chance to get the video out, and I don't have a chance to work on it yet, so I want to finish my other big diamond painting before I start on this one. I did purchase this one in order to go behind our couch on the wall. We were looking for some type of scenery that will match a puzzle that we did as a family and made into, we glued it and put it up on the wall. So this thing is humongous. I just hit my fan. It is a square, and this is what it is. It is Spring Mountain Majesty by Chuck Pinson. And it is a 93 by 70 centimeters, which is 36.6 by 27.6 in size. So this thing is very, very, very large. It's not quite as big as the one that I'm currently doing that's on my drafting table right now. That one is a 90 by 90. So this is just a little bit smaller than that one. So I'm probably going to have to eventually put this on the floor to show the whole drawing. And I will tell you, this is definitely not a budget-friendly site. They are rather pricey, but the quality is definitely there with Diamond Art Club. I would have to say, if I know I'm going to put something up on my wall, I would definitely consider spending more money for the better quality. So I haven't purchased in a long time, and I think Diamond Art Club has done some different things with their kits. I'm not sure if I got one of those kits or not, but wow, look at that. That is all of the diamonds. Well, apparently I didn't even get a toolkit. So hang on, I did get a toolkit. I was like, that's not normal. So we get a sticker. You can put this on your storage that you use. And it looks like I just got a standard, I think they have like cover minders now and stuff like that, which that's fine. I don't need a cover minder, but we got baggies, a clear tray, some heart-shaped wax, a little squishy. I guess I should make sure I'm in sight. Pen, tweezers, and a 4-placer. These tweezers are super sharp. The tweezers that I use right now aren't this sharp. I'd probably try to dull those. I don't know how I would, but I like to put squishies. I cut them in half, and I put one half on this side and one half on this side. And so it helps me with the finger pain of this using tweezers. There's quite a lot of bags in here. I'm thinking there might be enough bags for how many colors are here. I'm not positive. I'm definitely not going to count them. But it has 64 colors. Put all this back in here. And when you order from Diamond Art Club, they send you step-by-step instructions. And you also get a 10% off your next purchase. I believe I'll have a code in the description. Since it's been so long since I purchased this, I honestly don't remember how much percentage off it is, but it is on your first order, I believe. If I can remember, I'll check and I'll put that information in here in writing. So this is nice. They do give you a label, the sticker labels, and they have another sticker. So you can do, I mean, whatever you want with these stickers. If I had a better, like, this is what I would like to do with my logbook. I'd like to have little stickers or something, pictures of some sort in my logbook. So I might save these for when I have a better logbook. I'm not going to log this one into my system just because I'm going to work on this once I finish my other large one. So, goodness gracious, this is a lot of drills. Kitting this up is going to be a chore. So they're in order of DMC number. Well, I thought they were, I don't know how they do this, honestly. I don't know. If y'all have ordered from DMC before and you know the order they put stuff in or why they put it in this order, then maybe you can put it in the comments. But we go from 904 to 3861, and then there's 154 and 318. So it's just kind of all over the place. I thought maybe it was by weight, but it's not. This is definitely going to be a chore to kit this up. If you guys have tips on kitting up for Diamond Art Club, please let me know. I can see here is 2 of the ABs. It's kind of a greenish yellow and a red. Those will be pretty. And here's a cream AB. I don't remember how many ABs. I think maybe 3. Maybe it was 4. Oh, here's another one, a purplish, light purple. Oh, and a yellow. So that makes, I think, 5 so far. But look at all these colors. Goodness. And I don't think there was that much 310 in here. That's it for 310s. I mean, one bag. But I guess I'll get to see the quality of square drills from them, because I do know the round was amazing. The quality was great. Oh my goodness, this thing is humongous. Like, you can't even see a quarter of it. I'm going to put it on the floor and then move my camera. Gosh, I'm trying to think of which system I would use for this. I think I would have to use my new Tic Tac containers that are the square containers, because I think there's exactly 64 containers in that, because it's like 2 of the 32 boxes in one. So I think that's what I would have to use to kit this up. And even then, I don't know if I'd be getting all of the drills in there. Is in all of its glory. Is that not the most beautiful painting? I'm just like, I saw it in my email one day and I thought, oh my gosh, we have to put that on our wall. And so I showed it to Brandon. He's like, yes, 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 get it, get it, get it. I want to say it was $74.99 or something along those lines. But I had a percentage off and all that good stuff. So I don't know my final price, but that is this painting. That right there is the painting where, you know, we did the puzzle, and that's what we're kind of trying to have our living room theme as. But anyhow, so this is it. It's definitely a beautiful painting. Again, it's called Spring Mountain Majesty by Chuck Pinson. I mean, let me zoom in and see the quality of, well, the symbols are going to be crazy. I mean, they're definitely easy to read and all that good stuff, but like, I don't even know what, it looks like a sideways 12. I don't know what that symbol really is, but definitely a really quality painting. And it's humongous. It doesn't even look that big whenever it's on the floor right here, but let me see. Hold on one second. I'm just putting that is a 50 by 60 painting. So it's almost, I mean, I could almost fit 2 of those on this painting, and it's still, so it's a very big painting. It's going to be very fun to work on. I know it's confetti heavy. So anyhow, this is Diamond Art Club, Spring Mountain Majesty, 64 colors square, and I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 AB colors. So there you have it. I will leave my link in the description box. So if you haven't purchased from Diamond Art Club and you decide you would like to, then go ahead and use that link and you'll get a percentage off. I will make note of how much that percentage off once I put the link in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you all for getting me to 500 subscribers. I appreciate that. And the giveaway will be coming out here shortly. If you haven't already seen it, actually I think it will be posted before this video. So make sure you go and check out the video before this one so you can make sure to get in that drawing for the diamond painting or the diamond painting pen. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and I will see you on the next video.